A Cobb County man convicted of intentionally killing his 22-month-old son Cooper by leaving him in a hot car is seeking a new trial. Ross Harris's attorneys are appealing to the Georgia Supreme Court today, arguing some of the evidence originally presented wasn't relevant to the case and shouldn't have been included. Caitlin Ross is live for us downtown outside the court to explain.
Jennifer, Ross Harris did not appear on video virtually for this hearing, but that didn't stop the appellate court justices from hammering questions at both the prosecution and the defense.
And I will say you did a remarkable job of proving that he is a terrible person. But proving that he is a terrible person is not the same thing as proving that he murdered his child.
Cobb County prosecutor Linda Dunikowski wasn't part of the prosecution team in 2016, but today she defended how the state handled the case against Ross Harris.
So that he could get rid of his wife, get rid of his obligations to that family, and move on into the world that he wanted to move on to.
Ross Harris's attorneys filed an appeal focusing on the messages he sent to women and underage girls that were presented as evidence during the trial, that he wanted to escape his family life. Some were sent the day Cooper died. The panel today repeatedly asked Dunikowski if those messages proved motive.
I'm trying to figure out why you needed to mention the age of the women he was conversing with, why you needed to bring in prostitution, which is a crime, and also why you needed to take what were messages with thumbnail-sized pictures and pull out the pictures, blow them up to full-size color pictures.
The prosecution printed the lewd picture messages exchanged between Harris and the women onto 8x11 poster boards for the jury to examine during their deliberations. During today's hearing, Harris's attorney also questioned messages Harris sent on the anonymous chat app Whisper that were also presented at trial.
The appellant submitted that, well, I love my child and all, but we both need escapes.
I'm not sure that I would paint Mr. Harris's text messages and whisper messages as sympathetic.
So what Ross Harris wants here is a new trial that would exclude those messages, exclude the affairs he had, exclude the lewd messages he had with other women and underage girls. The justices will rule in the coming weeks.